So you've got everything that you need, including apps that weren't available in the other repositories. Now I'm gonna show you how you could play on your Linux machine. So if you have a Steam account or Steam in general, and you wanna play your Steam games, um, on Linux it's really easy. So all you have to do is obviously have Steam installed, and now there are like two types of games. The games that are like supported, that are supported already on Linux, that have their own port, like for example Dirt Rally. I can just like install it and play it as normal. There are like games that are not quote unquote supported, um, like Spooky's Jump Scare Mansion. If I can find it, where is it? Here it is. This one is only available on Windows, but you can still play it on Linux. All you have to do is go to Steam, and then go to Settings, go to Compatibility, enable Steam Play for all titles. It will ask you to restart, so you can just go ahead and restart. It's gonna take a while. Not really a long time, just a little bit. And you have to wait until it relaunches again. Here it is. It's gonna wait. It's gonna take a bit. Here we go. We are logging in. All right. Now, if we go back to the games we have, to our library, we can now install it. So let's click on install, then I'll show you what you're going to do next. After you finish installing, next you'll have to right click the game that you just installed. Then you go to properties, then compatibility, force compatibility of a specific Steam Play compatibility tool, and you choose this Proton, the version of the Proton that you want to use. Proton is basically a compatibility layer that will force Windows games to run on Linux. Right now it's select on Proton Experimental, which is basically the beta version of Proton. I want to use Proton 8.0.4. Yeah, so I'm gonna select that and then close, and it's gonna start downloading that. Here's Proton 8. It's gonna take also a little bit, so I'll pause the video once again and come back when it's installed. Now after that installs, all you have to do is press play, and it's gonna set up the game, then it's gonna launch it. It's really that simple. Here we go. It's really that simple. There's literally nothing hard about this. The game is now working. As you can see now, the game is working. Oh.
Hello, I am Spooky. And this is my home. Can you, humble player, make it through 1,000 rooms? Can you find what lies at the end? Or is there even an end? Because I don't really know. Anyway, just go.
The game is working as usual, just as if you're playing it on Windows. And that's it really. Let me just close the game. Stop. Yes. And there you go. That's how you could play your Steam library on Linux. It's really not that hard. All you have to do is check some few options, and the game will run as usual. But not every single game will like run perfectly. You'll have to go and look for proton.db.com and then search your game. For example, I wanna like search for let's see. Let's search for Guild maybe. This one is a silver rating, which is alright. You'll want to have to silver and up. Basically there is bronze, silver. Actually there is borked, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and native. Native being obviously the native games on Linux that runs just like that without any problems. Then there is the Platinum, which also runs without any problems, but you'll have to activate Proton. Then there is the Gold ones that you need a little bit of tweaking. Then Silver, which also needs a little bit of tweaking because some cutscenes and stuff probably won't play. Then there is the Bronze, which requires a lot of work to make it at least run, or sometimes they don't really run well. They just like open the game and probably crash or something. Then there is the Borked one, which does not run at all. So, for example, if I look for PUBG, and there you go, it's borked. This one does not work at all because it has anti-cheats. Basically anything that is basically any multiplayer games that have anti-cheats and stuff, well, probably will not work unless it has like the easy anti-cheat or no anti-cheat at all. So there you go. I'll leave the link of this one in the description below. And in the next video, I'll show you guys how you can play your Epic Games library on Linux. So I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.